In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Google Sheets Sync. If you want your data to stay consistent between Airtable and Google Sheets without constantly copying and pasting information, setting up a sync is a great solution. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the full process in a simple, practical way so you can get everything connected correctly and avoid common setup mistakes. To begin, open the tool or integration platform you want to use for the sync. This could be a dedicated automation tool or another platform that supports both Airtable and Google Sheets. The important thing here is to make sure you're using a service that allows you to control how information moves between the two apps. Once the platform is open, you're ready to start linking your accounts. Next, connect Airtable. Sign into your Airtable account through the integration platform, then choose the correct workspace, base, and table you want to use. Take your time here because selecting the wrong table can cause confusion later when records don't appear where you expect them. It helps to quickly confirm that the fields in your Airtable table are organized and clearly labeled before moving on. After that, connect Google Sheets. Sign in to your Google account and select the spreadsheet you want to sync. If the spreadsheet has multiple tabs, make sure you choose the right one. This is especially important if your file is used for different purposes or shared across a team. A clean, well-structured sheet will make the sync more reliable and easier to manage. Once both accounts are connected, map the fields. This means matching each Airtable field to the correct Google Sheets column. For example, names should go to names, dates to dates, and status fields to the appropriate column. Careful field mapping is one of the most important parts of the setup because this is what determines where your data lands and how usable it will be after syncing. Now choose the sync direction. Decide whether you want a one-way sync or a two-way sync. A one-way sync is useful if one platform should act as the main source of truth, while a two-way sync allows changes in either platform to update the other. Choose the option that best fits your workflow and how your team works with the data. Before turning everything on, run a test sync. This lets you confirm that the data is transferring correctly and that each field is going where it should. If something looks off, this is the best time to fix it before live updates begin. Finally, activate the sync. Turn on the automation so updates happen automatically moving forward. Once it's live, your Airtable and Google Sheets data should stay aligned with much less manual work.